By the end of this 6-day series, you will know 300 words plus 300 sentences. 50 most important daily use verbs Telugu to English. Eat, tinu. I eat rice every day. Drink, tragu. I drink water daily. Sleep, nidrapo. I sleep at 10 pm. Wake up, levu. I wake up early. Go, vellu. I go to the school. Come, ra. Please come here. Sit, kurcho. Sit on the chair. Stand, nilcho. Stand near me. Run, parigettu. I run in the morning. Walk, naduchu. I walk slowly. Talk, matladu. I talk to my friend. Listen, vinu. Listen carefully. Watch, chudandi. I watch TV. Read, చదువు. I read a book. Write, రాయు. I write a notes. Learn, నేర్చుకో. I learn English. Study, చదువు. I study at night. Play, ఆడు. Children play outside. Work, పని చెయ్యి. My father works hard. Cook, వండి. My mother cooks food. Open, తెరువు. Open the door. Close, move you. Close the window. Start, ప్రారంభించు. Start the work. Finish, ముగించు. Finish your homework. Clean, శుభ్రం చేయి. Clean your room. Wash, కడువు. Wash your hands. Buy, కొనండి. I buy vegetables. Sell, అమ్ము. He sells fruits. Bring, తీసుకురా. Bring water. Give, ఇవ్వు. Give me a pen. Take, తీసుకో. Take your bag. Help, సహాయం చేయు. I help my mother. Call, కాల్ చేయు. I call my friend. Meet, కలువు. I meet my teacher. Wait, వేచి ఉండు. Wait for me. Try, ప్రయత్నించు. Try again. Use, ఉపయోగించు. Use this pen. Ask, అడుగు. Ask a question. Answer, సమాధానం ఇవ్వు. Answer correctly. Speak, మాట్లాడు. Speak in English. Smile, నవ్వు. She smiles happily. Cry, ఏడువు. The baby cries loudly. Laugh, నవ్వు. We laugh together. Sing, పాడు. She sings well. Dance, నాట్యం చేయు. She dances beautifully. Drive, నడుపు. He drives a car. Travel, ప్రయాణించు. I travel by bus. Prayer, ప్రార్థించు. I pray every day. Rest, విశ్రాంతి తీసుకో. I take some rest. Enjoy, ఆనందించు. Enjoy your day. Comment your favorite 5 words and make one sentences.